Here's a crochet-look hand embroidery border. It looks delicate, but it's very easy, perfect for beginners. Fold your fabric edges neatly. Place the marked area inside the hoop and tighten it until it's firm. Thread your needle, tie a small knot, and trim the extra. Welcome to DIY stitching. Let's start with a simple blanket stitch. Bring the needle up, take a small stitch along the edge, and let the thread catch under the needle. These lines are a simple visual guide to help you place your stitches neatly. Keep the stitches neat and even. This foundation will be completely covered. For this project, I'm using linen fabric, hand embroidery floss, an embroidery needle, and a tapestry needle. Now we create the crochet look effect. Bring your needle up just above the blanket stitch. Wrap the thread over the needle to form a loop and insert the needle down right beside the blanket stitch. Only the ends of the stitch are anchored to the fabric. The rest sits raised on top. As you work across the row, these raised loops fully cover the blanket stitch, giving the border a soft, crochet-style finish. You'll also find my DIY transfer method and my home printer method linked below. If you'd like this pattern sketch, you can download it from the link in the description. To add contrast, switch thread colours. Use the same loop technique, but make the loops a little smaller. This creates a second decorative layer. Next, we'll add French knots in the centre. Thread a milliner needle with 3 strands, wrap once, and take the needle down near the starting point. Make your knots evenly for a clean finish. I hope you enjoyed stitching with me today. If this tutorial helped you, please subscribe, like and share. It really supports the channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you again with another embroidery design. Bye for now.